Why are word headers and footers inconsistent in formatting? Imagine working on a long document and noticing that your headers and footers look different on each page. It can be confusing and frustrating. Today, we're going to find out why this happens and how to fix it. Word handles headers and footers using sections. Each section can have its own settings, which means headers and footers can change from one part of your document to another. If you insert a section break, Word treats that as a new area with separate header and footer options. This is often the main cause of inconsistency. Another reason is the link to previous setting. When you create headers and footers, Word can link them to the previous section. If this is turned on, the headers and footers stay the same across sections. If it's turned off, each section can have its own unique header or footer. Sometimes, people forget to turn this on or off when needed, which leads to mismatched formatting. Page numbering can also cause issues. If you type page numbers manually instead of using Word's automatic page number feature, the formatting might not stay consistent. Automatic fields update automatically when you add or delete pages, keeping everything aligned. Manual numbering doesn't do this, so it can cause irregularities. Section breaks can be hidden or unexpected. For example, changing page orientation or margins can insert a section break without you noticing. These breaks create new sections with their own header and footer settings, which can cause inconsistency. Within each section, you can have different headers and footers for the first page, odd pages, and even pages. If these are set differently, the headers and footers will look different depending on the page type. Copying content from other documents can also bring in unwanted section breaks or formatting. When you paste, Word might carry over source formatting, which can conflict with your current document settings. To keep headers and footers uniform, check for section breaks often. Use the Show Hide Paragraph button to see where breaks are. Use the link to previous option wisely, turn it on to keep headers consistent, or turn it off when you want different headers. Always use Word's automatic page number fields instead of typing numbers manually. Be aware of the 3 types of headers and footers in each section. For the first page, odd pages, and even pages. Adjust these as needed for your document's look. When copying from other files, consider pasting without source formatting or reapplying header and footer settings afterward. Using the Header and Footer Tools Design tab makes managing these settings easier. Understanding how sections and their breaks work helps explain why headers and footers can seem inconsistent. With this knowledge, you can create a clean, professional-looking document with uniform headers and footers throughout.